In this session, we will cover the SAP BW Properties feature in the Discover tool. The SAP Properties feature allows users to view and manipulate the extra property fields that are attached to attributes and hierarchies in your SAP BW model. This functionality is also available for Microsoft Multidimensional cubes when there are extra properties attached to a visible attribute or hierarchy in the cube. To see the feature in action, let's start a new Discover report for an SAP BW model. Let's drop the product subcategory and product chip onto the rows drop zone and add the gross amount. Next, we want to display the category that this subcategory belongs to. Category in this case is a property of subcategory. Pyramid keeps these properties in a special folder under each attribute. You can hide or show these items using this button. Once enabled, if we click on the Properties folder, we can find the additional attributes. By simply dragging and dropping it onto the rows, we can view it as if it were a regular hierarchy. Notice it has a distinct icon and has a different color to the normal chip. We can also drop it onto the column and display it as a column. It can also be used in visuals as a color chip or as a horizontal or vertical trellis chip. This brings tremendous power to the SAP BW reporting, where users now have access and flexibility to use all these extra property attributes. These attributes do come with some limitations imposed by both SAP and Microsoft. First, they must be used in conjunction with their parent chip. So the parent attribute must be used within another drop zone in order for it to be operational. If the parent is missing, you cannot add the property chip to your visualization. Next, it can also only be used for display purposes. This means it cannot be used for slicing, numeric filtering, sorting, focusing, or elimination. By extension, it also cannot be used to drive the hierarchy dice, swap, and add capabilities. In spite of these limitations, the extra access solves some of the key challenges with viewing these key items, especially in SAP BW.